Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody. We've got cloud coverage out there for this morning, so it's a little warmer than we were seeing for the last two, and that's good news because it means you don't have to scrape that windshield. Looking at our 4 cameras right now, you can actually see some of that cloud coverage out over Florence right now. It's going to look like that everywhere pretty soon, well, as soon as the sun rises at least, and things are going to stay dry through the morning here, but eventually we'll get some rainfall coming up into this evening. We've got this warm front moving on through for today, and in addition to that, there is some really moist air moving into our area as well. Now, the reason why things stay dry for the most part towards the morning and even the afternoon today is because we do have a really dry zone overhead right now. And even if you take a dry zone and you put some rainfall through it, even if it's heavy rainfall, you do have to saturate that part of the atmosphere before you can actually get rain to fall all the way through it. Otherwise, you just end up with virga, which is where you've got a dry zone with rain just falling until it evaporates. So that's what's going to be happening for the majority of today until we really start to get the whole column of air to get moist. And then this warm front's going to come through, and as it scrapes on by, it's going to lift up the atmosphere and help all that rain come out. But that's not going to happen until the evening. So watching the stormcast right now, just about an hour ago there at 5:30, full cloud coverage, moving in here to 7:30 a.m. and we're seeing some showers out over the ocean. It's a little wetter out there. Moving into 9 o'clock, could get some showers out towards Florence and Newport at this point. Then we're seeing 11:30 here. There is a little bit more rainfall for Newport. All these northern areas north of Eugene are seeing most of the rain for today, but 11:30 could show a little bit of showers over Eugene too. Cutting forward into 2 o'clock, Sweet Home getting a little bit of rain. Same thing goes for Corvallis, but mostly still just staying dry. You can see it is a little bit more active north of our area, though. Portland's probably getting some nice showers today. 5:30, seeing some heavier rain over Corvallis, but still pretty much dry everywhere else until we get into 9:30 there and see up from Corvallis down to Florence, we've got rain. But look out over the ocean here. These yellow, red, and orange areas means there's some significant rainfall down there. That's coming for our area later into tonight, into tomorrow morning as our atmospheric river drifts on down. And that's what we're seeing here, this atmospheric river pointing towards the area. Looking here now at 11 o'clock tonight into tomorrow morning, should see that drift by. Now, for the 7-day forecast, you're seeing rainfall for the next 7 days on the coast. Drying on Friday, getting cooler on Monday and Tuesday, but not by too much, just in those high 50s. 7-day forecast for the Umpqua Basin showing you the same thing. Rainfall starting up tomorrow, then we're dropping into the 50s through Monday and Tuesday, but just rain all the way through. Cascades are getting colder Sunday, Monday, Tuesday as well, potentially showing some snowfall. Rainfall starting up Thursday there, 53 today, 49 tomorrow, and it's the same pattern for the Willamette Valley. Getting some rainfall tonight, raining all the way from Thursday into Tuesday, and then getting into those mid to upper 50s early next week. But now